Welcome to my YouTube automotive channel. In today's video I have a 2012 Chevrolet Cruze and I will show you how to remove and replace the battery. This video will apply to first generation of Chevy Cruzes made from 2008 all the way up to 2016. Battery is located under the front hood on the driver's side. It's right here. Now, first thing you will have to remove is the battery holder, which is on top of the battery, and it's held by a 10mm nut. Okay, once you have this nut off, you can just remove the holder by lifting it up. Okay, now I will show you what to do next. Now this is a negative battery terminal, this is the positive battery terminal. When you're removing the battery, always first make sure to remove the negative and then the positive. And when you're installing the new battery, always first install the positive and then the negative. Now what you'll have to do here, on the positive side you can see there's a bunch of things here. Now this is doable actually just by removing this metal holder on the side and then sliding the battery towards yourself. But if you do it that way, you kind of risk of cracking this housing here. I did it once in the past, so I will show you how to do it the right way. And the right way would be just to disconnect everything here on the top and then just leave the battery straight up. Okay, so start by loosening up this nut on a negative battery terminal. You don't have to remove it all the way, just loosen it up enough so you can wiggle it off. Okay, once this is all nice and loose, you should be able just to gently wiggle it off. In some cases, if this becomes stuck, for the reason if the battery wasn't removed in a long time or something like that, what you'll have to try doing, first you can try to pry the terminal off by using the flat screwdriver under it, or the other option is you can just insert the screwdriver here in the middle and try to tap it with the hammer here on the top, and that should loosen it up, and then just wiggle it off. But once you have the negative terminal off, then you'll have to move to the positive. Now here first you want to remove three 13mm nuts, this one, and this one. Once you have those nuts off the way, you just want to remove the wiring off. Now to remove these three you will need 8mm socket. Once you have all this disconnected, next thing to do is to loosen up the nut on positive battery terminal. Like I said, you don't have to completely remove it, just loosen it up enough so you can wiggle it off. Okay, now that's almost everything. And now to be able to remove this plastic housing, it's held by the battery by two plastic tabs. You'll see one here and one just here on the opposite side. So you'll have to use like a flat screwdriver here probably just to pry it out, or maybe you can do it with your fingers. You see, here is the tab, you just have to kind of pry it out. And same thing on the other side. And now as you can see, you can just lift it up and remove the battery. Okay, one more thing, actually just have to remove this metal holder as well before you remove the battery, right? Just pull it straight out. And yeah, that's everything. Now you can just leave the battery up and install the new battery. Make sure again when installing the new battery, first connect the positive battery terminal and then the negative, and that's it. Thank you for watching this short video. I hope it was helpful and educational. If it was, please like it and consider subscribing to my YouTube automotive channel. On my channel there is lots of how-to videos, do-it-yourself videos, car reviews, product reviews and other similar automotive topics.